Alonso and Healy to follow. One hit foul. Does Seagull come like right between the pitcher and the catcher, or the pitcher and the...
That Bird comes in. If you look from the left of your screen, right in front of Josh as he's getting ready to swing, boom, the Bird gets actually knocked down.
He is not running, and it's fouled back. This game is hard enough, especially when a bird is flying in front of you. Did you see that on the replay? A bird going right in his vision.
Oh no. As a line drive base hit center field. Coming around third, DeRosa's going to win the ball game. It got by Crisp. Maybe the Birds distracted him. And the Indians win it and take the...
It's Cabrera, and it's 4-3 Rays.
Worley just rolled the baseball. Worley just rolled the baseball.